guys, one quick video about the documents which we need to submit for the ILR application. We'll go through first. Mandatory document, our original passport, so that's going to be first. And letter from employer, that's two kind of letter. One is your work related, that you're going to continue with that company and the job after ILR as well. And then the absence letter, like what are the leave you took in that 5 years, so you have to submit that as well. And then the declaration form, that you need to download and sign it and send to them that as well. And all your previous passports, travel document, and your old BRP card, all the other things as well, whatever you can submit, and your identity card as well, which means maybe from India if you have a Aadhaar card or voter ID, like that. And then the evidence of immigration status. For this you can submit your BRP or maybe the confirmation mail you got. And then the most recent payslip and your bank statement. They mention here no earlier than 1 calendar month before the date of the application. So when you're gonna apply, so you need to submit last 1 month of the payslip and the bank statement. So remember that. And then a document from the sponsor who issued the certificate of sponsorship that led to your last permission stay as a tier 2 migrant, confirming that you are still required for the employment in question for the foreseeable future, and in the case of tier 2 general, tier 2 sport person, and tier 2 intra-company transfer. So this is a document that you still need for the company, so you need to submit that document as well. This is what I said earlier here, the letter from the employer, but this is the only absent letter, and this one is the confirmation letter that you're going to work with them even after the ILR. Guys, please read the guidance on the code of practice, because you have to mention the code and other salary things in the document which you get from your employer. Guys, you have to submit all of your documents photocopy. You don't need to submit the original one. So just take all the scan copy, good quality one. And after the submission, you need to submit all your documents through another partner website, that as usual you do for your before visas application. Guys, mainly this application is for who are on a work visa for 5 years. Guys, if you want any reference from the documents which I submitted, please ask me through email. Best of luck. Thank you so much, guys.